Hello. So, everyone that was in school on yesterday received a brand new dictionary. Totally cool, right? Because it has like the whirl with the mask on. And on the back, it has exactly what the coronavirus looks like in scientific form. Totally cool, right? If you're virtual, I think only one of or two of my students have already received this already. If not, if you can leave me a message and let me know you have not received yours. And please let your parents know. You would like it because it personally has your name on the back. And of course, this one does not because it's mine. Okay. And so, thanks to the women from the Fort Worth Women program that donates these to third grades every year. All right, totally cool, right? Okay, so the reason why I'm showing you this is because we have been talking about homonyms, and these are words with multiple meanings. I'm going to model what you're going to be doing today in your lesson. So let me start off with the word park. And the reason why I'm using park is because we did park already, right? So today in my model, I don't expect to see park in your assignment because I'm going to model it. You cannot see it, and I apologize because I don't have the camera here. But I'm going to go look up park, okay? And when I look up park, it actually has two meanings. Here's the first one. A place in a place in town designated for recreation, rest, and beauty. So when I hear recreation, I think about like a playground, like a park, right? And it says for resting. Some people use park to go sit and rest. So then the other one says to put a car or vehicle in place. So that means to take a car, park it, and it's in that place. Okay. Now notice I looked it up. Okay. If you do not have a dictionary at home, I advise you to use dictionary.com to do your lesson or your spelling assignment today. So let Miss Carrier go share her screen. And so I'm going to model exactly what you're doing today. So right now, there is slide 1. Remember, the instruction is going to tell you to choose 10 words that you want to do. 10. I'm going to let you pick any 10, except for the word park. So you're going to have to create the word first, okay? That lets Miss Carrier know which word you pick. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. I'm just one of those people that needs to make it a little bigger. So I'm going to make my word park, okay? Now, I'm going to go right here to images, and I'm going to use search the web. So if you can see where I've already had a park your car, and you can do park your car like a clip art or however you want to do it. I'm going to use this one. And get in there. Okay. For some reason, it's not letting me do it. Okay, guys, so I apologize. Let me see why it's not letting Miss Carrier. And you guys did this assignment before, so just be a little patient here. Let me just do park a car, hit enter. Let me try this one. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so we know that you can just kind of see where the arrow makes it smaller, and then you can just move your picture around like that. But hold on. That's just the park car. So I need to go look for a park like the playground park. So I would say like, I can just type in park this way. And there we go. I got like a park And notice that it's just not quite a playground. Like, it's different things in a park. Because remember, the definition said beauty, rest, and recreation. And so I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to double click that. And that one already came kind of small. I like that. Now, I'm also going to show you where you can have your sentence, because I need you to use the words in a sentence. You can either come down here at the bottom. If you can see that at the bottom, it lets you type. And you can say, the cars were parked in the school parking lot. And then I can say, we love to play tag in the park. Okay? Now, that's one spot you can put it in. Here is the other spot. You can just do another text box. And I'm all about text boxes, so. And I can type in there the cars were parked in the school parking lot. Period. Okay. And I'm just going to bring this in a little bit like that. And I can do another whole text box for the next sentence. We love to play tag in the park. Okay. So that you understand your assignment, I will have the instructions in there again, but I wanted to make sure that you guys know what you're doing. Okay? So let me explain to you again. You're choosing 10 of your spelling words or homonym words. Okay? You're not using park because Miss Collier has already used park. You're going to write the word, type the word in that you're choosing. You're going to give me the 2 different pictures that identifies what that word means. So again, I would like for you to pull that dictionary out and look it up. Then you're going to give me 2 sentences. You're going to use the word and a sentence, but you're going to use it in the 2 different sentences for the 2 different meanings. Okay. You're going to find that some of the words have more than 2 meanings, and that's okay. You're just going to choose the 2 that you're going to identify or use in your spelling assignment today. All right, so let me recap again, because I'm going to have the directions already written out for you. Okay, today, I'm not going to be there today. Sorry, I had something come up, and I apologize, okay? So, with that being said, I want you to make sure that you use the dictionary to look up your words so that you can get the meanings. And if you already know the meanings, amazing. That's okay. You don't have to look it up. But some of those you're going to see there's a couple of meanings to them, okay? There's some that has more than 2 meanings. You can pick the 2 meanings you want to use. Just make sure that whatever meanings that you're using, especially the photo that you pick, that your sentence is making sense. That means I want to know if you understand it. Okay? Remember, there was 2 places you can put your sentence. So, guys, I am looking for you to work very hard while I'm not there because I know you can do it. Again, how many words are you picking? You said it. It was 10. Can you choose any 10 you want? Exactly. I'm not giving you the 10. I'm going to let you choose 10. Remember, there's 20 words. And don't use which word? You said it, park. Do not use park because I've already used that as my model piece for you. So I want you guys to get started on your spelling. Do your best. Who's ever in that room, don't you say, I don't know what to do. But if you left your dictionary at home, you can ask them, can you borrow a dictionary? Because I have these also in the classroom. And again, virtual students, if you have not received yours, make sure your parents contact me so that I can leave it down in the front office and so you can have your personal copy as well. So I want you guys to go do your best again and have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.